Welcome in and welcome back to our Friday morning final forecast for the week here with DoubleUp Trading. If you're joining us for the first time, thanks so much for tuning in. We will be posting an introductory video soon with more information about DoubleUp Trading, our videos, our goals, and more. So keep an eye out for that if you're interested. That said, let's get started. Today is Friday, January 9th, better known as Expiration Day. So let's pull up our options lineup for the week and see what orders we have to work with here. It looks like we have 2 orders set for today. One of them had previously executed, which left us with 1 open order as of Wednesday. Because the open order has not been executed since then, we will not be including it in today's discussion. So, the only option we actually have in play today is 10 QS for January 9th, strike price of $11, it's a put, and it executed for 26 cents. When looking at QuantumScape this morning, I can see the current market value is listed at $10.84 for this stock. What does that mean? For us, it means that if QS stays under $11 by the end of market close today, then our $11 put will activate and 1,000 shares of QS will be added to our portfolio, which we can then sell call options on in the future. So that's actually perfect, and it puts us in a pretty nice spot going forward. Great job, guys! That said, I will be posting the options outcomes for the week tomorrow, so swing by to check that out if you're interested. And don't forget, if you want to learn more about options trading, selecting stocks, what to look for, or how to place an order, feel free to follow us here or check out the description for more information on where you can find us. Until then, I wish you all a fantastic Friday and a wonderful weekend. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch up with you guys on Monday for the new options lineup. Take care.